I set up this bullet journal in December, and I only set it up for 6 months because this is my first traveler's notebook size, and I thought it would only fit 6 months. I also wasn't sure I would really like the new format because I was switching from A5 that I've used for years, but I love this format. I really enjoyed creating fun and cute spreads in this travel notebook size, so I'll keep using it, and I think it can probably fit 3 more months. I would also like to have a few more months at a glance, so now I need to set up the second half of the year. As much as I like to sketch some of my themes in advance, when it's 40 degrees, I believe improvisation is the way to go. So this is a simple, completely improvised theme for when it's way too hot outside, your brain is fried, and you'd like to just go with the flow, but you still want cute spreads. So I'll be using the Eden's Garden PET tape from the washi tape shop. I leave the links and code below as always. It's pre-cut, so I'm covering one side with stickers. So yeah, it doesn't require planning or too many neurons, and you can't go wrong. Just place big stickers here and there and smaller ones in between. You should be good. It doesn't have to be anywhere near perfect. We're going to cover part of it anyway. Now that the kind of tropical summer vibe is set, we're going to bring in contrast with brown paper and a black header. Now you can play with the placement. Maybe you want a tidy aesthetic, or you prefer a cheerful chaos. I'm going for cheerful chaos. Feels right for a summer theme. I'll be using the same color palette I find on the tape, which are also the same colors I used in June actually. And I'll set up 6 mini calendars for an overview till the end of the year. So tell me, do you set up the whole year at the beginning of your Bujo, or do you just set up the months you think will fit? I think that when in doubt, it's better to set up too many months than staying short, like I did. Below each month, I log birthdays, events, and appointments so that I don't have to wait until I set up a specific month to start logging important dates. And I circle holidays with the matching color for, organizational and motivational purposes. And with that, the future log is done and we can set up July. For July, I'll continue with the same theme, but for the cover, I'll need a main protagonist, so I'll need a frame. Apart from that, same concept, a colorful background and the header for contrast. In summer, especially, I like using a monthly calendar with the weeks in continuous lines. I find it's best to highlight events that last several days, like trips or vacation or visits. And on the right, I'll keep the vertical calendar for content planning. So that was the mid-year bullet journal setup and July setup in a tropical summer theme. What do you think? If you stayed till the end, leave me this emoji and let me know what's your favorite bird sticker. If you need more inspiration, check out my previous July themes. And if you're looking for book recommendations, have a look at my last reading journal video. I wish you a very happy summer, and I'll see you in the next one. And until then, enjoy planning.